Hi everyone, today we have with us Preeti, and Preeti have been very close to me because she was working with me. She was our Delhi center head as well for a long time, and she graduated in 2014
Yes.
and now and joined the MBA college in 2022. 22. 12 साल no sorry 8 years
8
का
years almost.
का gap kind of thing, not gap exactly, but doing odd jobs, working with CE, taking this and that. So and finally she have got placement in Coca-Cola.
Yes.
So I was Pepsi, she is Coca-Cola. So and I requested her from last 6 months requesting कि मैडम एक बार वीडियो बना लो हमारे
अरे
साथ, गुरु दक्षिणा की तरह मान लो, जैसे ही मान लो. नहीं तो फिर फाइनली मैं उसको बोला कि मैं तेरा वर्क एक्स अप्रूव नहीं करूँगा अगर तुम नहीं करते. तो फाइनली ही एग्रीड. आई एम जस्ट किडिंग. So my question is very simple. Everyone who have a gap year, and in your case such a huge gap year,
Yes.
doing odd jobs here and there. She worked in school as well. She worked with
Yes.
CE taking. Were you facing any problems during entry into the college? First question, and then for the placement. Placement बाद में बात करेंगे. At the college entry points, was any problem?
I'll say I was thinking a lot. I'll face so many issues and all, but it was not like that. When I was preparing for CAT, so I wasn't able to give CAT that year. There was some personal issues and all, and then I cracked MAT at last moment, and I got around 70% in MAT, and then I was searching for college. Or my first priority was like this location in Delhi NCR. So Jaipuria was in my hit list because जितना मैं कंपेयर कर रही थी in that colleges, Jaipuria was the one जो मुझे अच्छा लगा, better option था. And I got there. There was no issue in like entering the college. But after that, when I was comparing myself with other peer group, it was a huge pressure on me. How I'll get job. So it's not possible. It is my mistake to come here.
ये हर बंदे को लगता है. Trust me, everybody have been through that phase. That either you get rejected by the company or you see your colleagues are very smart.
Yes.
Everyone have been through that phase when they are feeling self doubt.
Yeah.
तो अब वो कोई भी जो भी अभी MBA कॉलेज में टेंशन मत लो. This is very normal. It's very very normal to feel that way.
My grades was very poor. Actually, I was from a very small village, so there was not that much good schools and all. And in 12th, I think I had only 50%, and that is very less. And when I was comparing my marks with my peers, and they had almost 80-90%, and CBSE board, I am from UP board, it was a huge pressure. But with the time, I learned a lot. And when we come for placement purpose, so in starting, I was not selecting anything. I was searching like if there is better company or not. I was comparing a lot. All of a sudden, I get stuck in that like I don't have very good ACATS. And no one is selecting my resume.
Shortlist नहीं आया था.
Yeah, shortlist ही नहीं आ रहा था. In 4-5 companies, I was just filling, and I was not in shortlist. Then that was the bad thing for me. इतना प्रेशर था. I was not able to sleep. I was not able to eat.
I think मेरी बात भी उसमें मेरी बात भी हुई थी.
Yes.
See, whenever the people call me like this, ना मैं अपने तो यार मेरा रोज का काम ही है ना. तो जो जॉब ना लगी तो कॉल आता है, जॉब लग गया तो जॉब लग गई फिर भी कॉल आया था. So of course यार, let's assume 50% company will not give you a shortlist. तुम्हें एक चाहिए ना. Remaining 50% में एक तो short.
That was a big hope. मतलब जो आपसे आता था ना, क्या कर रही है प्रीति, ऐसे नहीं है, ठीक है हो जाएगा, तुझे तो बस एक की ज़रूरत है, नहीं हो रहा शॉर्टेज. That was a huge motivation for me.
So then you finally connected. उस दिन रात को आंसू आए कि नहीं आए उस दिन? नहीं आए.
आंसू तो नहीं आए.
देखो too late for that. हो गया अब तो. टाइम पर आता तो.
आंसू नहीं आए. मेरे को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हुआ.
विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ.
बहुत टाइम लगा मुझे. 3-4 days पीपल वर कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटिंग मी, और आई वाज लाइक हाँ थैंक यू.
विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. क्या हो गया ये?
क्या हो गया?
गुड. हाँ, पहली बार तो मेरे को विश्वास नहीं हुआ था, बट इट टुक मी लाइक पहले से टेल मी 3 times की तरह हो गया है. मैं फिर पूछा कि हो गया है. 3 साल का एफर्ट है यार. माई केस MBA प्रिपरेशन 1 year टू ड्रॉप, एंड देन 2 साल के MBA की तैयारी, अगेन सेल्फ डाउट होगा कि नहीं होगा. एंड फाइनली जब लगा ना तो फिर बाहर आके तो मैं रोया था. तो ऑब्वियसली नॉट मैं रोना, बट आंखों में आंसू आ ही जाते हैं.
Agree.
Great. So this is, I took her interview just to tell everyone ki boss, everyone have faced hardships. I've seen her story, I've seen her background, I've been with her because we have been working together. So 2017 to 20. मैं इसके पीछे था कि MBA कर ले, नहीं, because of family issues she could not do MBA at that time. And finally 2021 में जब मैं होप छोड़ चुका था कि मैं नहीं करने वाली, then she went to do MBA. So great, yeah. So Preeti, all the best.
Thank
Hopefully
you so much.
do well
sir.
in career.
It was everything because of you.
अरे it was all our hard
Seriously,
work.
seriously, you were a huge motivation for me. Otherwise, मैं यहाँ तक नहीं होती.
थैंक यू
दिल से बोल रही हूँ,
बस आज तुमने मेरा इसको चाय पिलाओ, एक कप और चाय पिलाओ मेरी तरफ से। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much.